Welcome to my channel, and today I will show you the horrible food in Beijing Airport. It's an international area. Look at it. So, I find out the Starbucks coffee there. Okay, the Starbucks coffee is quite good, but first of all, why they sell kind of European or American food in the China? But secondly, the prices. Prices for the cup of coffee is ranged between 20 and 40 yuan, which means that they cost about up to £4 per cup. £4 per cup of coffee in China is far too much, and almost there is no food here. And look how busy it is, so it means that there is no other places. And this is another place, it's a Ruby restaurant. Let's have a look what they've got for sale. So this is the only second restaurant, and there is no more other restaurant in this Beijing Airport. So they've got pizza for 60 yuan or 70 yuan, which is mean it's 6-7 pounds, and some small side dishes for 40 yuan. It's extremely too expensive. £4 for bread with chips in China. I can't believe that they've got this. And look for the beer. So in this menu you can find the beer. Beer ranged from 50 to 70 or up to 80 yuan per cup. Almost £8 per big cup of beer in China. I think it's amazingly high, and you should not buy the beer with this price. It's extremely high. And you can see the ice cream on the right. It's 30 yuan per portion or 40 yuan per portion, up to 50 yuan. £5 per cup of ice cream. I can't believe that China have such ridiculously high prices. Okay, I do agree that the large beer cup is quite big, and the choice of beer is very nice, and some IPA and some flavors, but 7 or 8 pounds per cup or 80 yuan is far too much. And there is no Chinese food in the Beijing Airport, and this is the only food is available in China in this airport. I think it's very bad. So if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and wait for new interesting video. Thank you. Bye.